little hungry seagull here for some food. He's got a treat today. Although it looked like his mum was telling him off for coming down and staying for food yesterday. Oh. My umbrella broke in the winds yesterday. There's a few more little birds around today. They are quiet though. Unusually quiet. Hello. It was a bit early, so he might not be hungry now. But when do you ever see seagulls not diving for food? It's really quite unusual. Oh, the magpies are there too. And the magpie's neck's looking a bit tatty. There's two of them. So I'll keep a bit of faith too for joy. Not feeling very joyous today. Day of mourning today. Anyway, I'm going to run out of video time in a minute. Well, in less than a minute. But there we go, there's tuna there for the seagull. And he's not coming down. That's not normal. Bit of a mess in my garden. I need to clear a lot.